Hi, I'm Jeff Tomasco, Service Director here at Crest Lincoln.
And I'm Peter Palumbo. On behalf of everyone here at Crest, welcome to the Service Department.
Let's take you on a quick tour of our service department. Follow along.
Welcome to Crest Service and our freshly painted and spiffied up service drive. Here's Steve Knox, service advisor, listening attentively to the needs of a client, and JT, back after some challenging health issues. Welcome back, JT. He's explaining Lincoln Access Rewards and Lincoln Modem Activation. Gene, a wizard at scheduling our Lincoln pickup and deliveries and listening to the needs of our customers. Mike Piro, director of our parts department, working alongside Jim and Jocelyn, a remarkably dedicated Crest team member, having been at Crest for over 3 decades. The talented Mike Rucco, finishing a battery installation. Izzy here, performing a tire rotation, included in a Lincoln priority service appointment. Nick, qualified technician, finishing our engine installation. Thanks to Lincoln's amazing warranty, this service will be covered for the customer. Tony, our senior master tech here, doing a transmission overhaul. Way to go, Tony. As you can see, we work on all makes and models at Crest Service with our talented and devoted Crest Service team. We would love the opportunity to service your vehicle. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. We want only the best for you at Crest.